Today we perform the practical number 11. Locate component of CAD classic screen by creating new drawing, that is CAD screen layout, drawing area, menu and toolbar and status bar.
Okay. First, we have to install AutoCAD 2020 in our system. So now to start, create a classic workspace in AutoCAD 2020. So here, AutoCAD latest version become by default in three workspace like drafting and annotation, 3D basic and 3D modeling. So let's start to create AutoCAD classic workspace. Okay. Now first we need to close this ribbon so you can find out here blank space. Just click right and click on close. So your ribbon is hide from your workspace. So you can restore this ribbon by command. Just type ribbon and press enter. Now your ribbon is restored. Also you can hide this ribbon by command ribbon close and press enter so your ribbon is hide. Okay. Now next is the quick access toolbar. So you can manage this toolbar from here. Just click on drop down. So there is a checkpoint available here. Quick access toolbar. So now just click on workspace. So workspace tab is available here and see the current workspace is drafting and annotation. Next, just drop down. We need to menu bar. So click on show menu bar. So menu bar is appear. Also, you can restore or hide from a command. So type your menu bar command. Press enter. There is a value 1, that is your menu bar is visible, and then change the value 0. Press enter so your menu bar is hide on your workspace. So repeat this command and change the value 1 so your menu bar is available here. Then we need to restore toolbar. There is a two-way to restore toolbar. First check out the menu bar, then tools, then toolbar, then AutoCAD, and then there is a list of all toolbars. Okay, so you can click on dimension. So there is a dimension toolbar available left side. Second, type a command dash toolbar. Press type a name of toolbar. Draw. Then click on show. Then see the draw in a left side. You can select and drag it and place it. Okay, then we need to move our toolbar. So click on any toolbar. So just right click and choose the any toolbar which will you have. We can select modeling. Then I want modify. Here modify toolbar available. Next we choose standard. Then standard is available. Then we choose view post. Okay. Then we choose properties. Then we choose layers. Okay. Then similarly we choose style, and this toolbar is place or arrange. Okay, thus okay. Now next file tab. Now see here file tab available. It's the start file tab and it's the drawing file tab and much more. If you don't want this file tab, so you can hide this file tab. Just use copy command. Then these are options. Okay, display. Here we can see this means file tab is visible, and when you uncheck this box and your file tab is hide from here. If you want to this file tab, check this box and apply. Okay, see your file tab is again visible. Then now this is the layout tab. Here model and layout tab is available. You don't want this layout tab, so click on display layout and model tab, uncheck and apply. So your layout and model tab is hide from here, and then again check and apply. Your model and layout tab is visible. Then okay. Next, command line. There is a available command line or command bar. You can manage this, drag and place anywhere, and you can resize this command bar. Then you can hide or visible this command bar. Just press Ctrl plus L. Then yes, there is a hide command, and then again press Ctrl plus 9. So your command line is visible. Then you can also hide this command bar using command line hide. Then press enter, and then yes, see your command line hide from here. And then you can restore command line. The type of command line. Then press enter. See your command line is restored again. Next, status bar. Status bar is available right down corner. There is a status bar. You can customize this status bar. Just click on this three line that check your tool is visible on your status bar. You can uncheck so they are hide from your status bar. Then you can hide or visible the status bar with the command. Just type status bar here. 1 means status bar is visible. Okay, and then 0 is for status bar is hide. Repeat this command and change the value to 1. See your status bar is again visible. Now next, there is a view cube. Okay, you can manage it from here. Just click on dash and check on view cube. Okay, you can uncheck this so your view cube is hide from here. Then just check and your view cube is again visible. Then next there is a navigation bar. Okay, then navigation bar. So you can uncheck this. It is hide from here, and then it is checked. It is again visible. Now finally you are done this setup for classic workspace. Then you must need to save this. You just go to status bar, then workspace switching. Otherwise here drop down, just click on save current as, then type here name AutoCAD Classic 2020 and then save. After creating this workspace, you can delete it. Just see here workspace is created. Okay. After creating this workspace, you can delete it. Just type a command CUI means customize user interface. Then press enter. See the workspace and workspace available here. You want workspace, select and then right click and then delete and then yes, your workspace will be deleted. Okay, so this is all about Work 11.